In this video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook page step by step. If you want to promote a business, brand, or personal project, creating a Facebook page is a great way to reach more people and share content with your audience. First, open the Facebook app and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top corner. Scroll down and tap on Pages, then tap on Create. Now tap on Get Started to begin creating your page. Next, enter the name of your page. This could be your business name, brand name, or anything you want people to see. After that, choose a category that best describes your page, such as business, website, or public figure. Then tap Next. Now you can add more details like a bio or description for your page to let people know what it's about. You'll also have the option to add a profile picture and cover photo to make your page look more professional. Once you finish these steps, tap Create Page, and your Facebook page will be ready to use. You can start posting, inviting friends, and growing your audience. And that's it. That's how you can create a Facebook page easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.